Let you cut me open just to watch me bleed. Gave up. So this song is going to start with the D note played at the guitar 32 times. And after this, the verse starts, so here's the table. In the last column, you will see that I wrote the composition of the chord if you want to play them, but here's what I suggest. So you're gonna play the D note and the A note instead of the first three chords. And on the last chord of C major, you're gonna play the D and the G like this. Okay, let's play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you could also double all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your blades are sharpened with precision, flashing your favorite point of view. Okay? Or you can double them. I know you're waiting in the distance, just like you always do, just like you always do. So just play it as you want, and next you'll have the pre-chorus, and you'll be needing a new table for that. And you will have the A sharp major composed of the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. Then the F major composed of the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of F. And eventually the C major composed of the C, the E, and the G, and the bass note of C. And we'll be keeping the same method. Already pulling me in, already under my skin, and I know exactly how this ends. I let you cut. And of course, you could also double them. Already pulling me in, already under my skin, and I know exactly how this ends. I let you cut. Let's move on to the chorus with this new table, and you will have one new chord, the D major, composed of the D, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of D. Let you cut me open just to watch me bleed. Gave up who I am for who you wanted me to be. Don't know why I'm hoping. And you replay. Don't know why I'm hoping for what I won't receive. Falling for the promise of the emptiness machine. The emptiness machine. At this moment, you will have an interlude to be played with almost the same chord order. Here's the table, and again, you choose how you play those chords. The emptiness machine. Or you double them. Then you reach the second verse to be played with the corresponding table, and same for the second pre-chorus and second chorus. After the second chorus, you will have another interlude where you'll play the D minor 4 times. The emptiness machine. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right after this, you will have the bridge and this new table. I only wanted to be part of something. I only wanted to be part of. And at that very moment, you're gonna play the first interlude twice, then you play the chorus by playing the corresponding table 3 times, and you'll be able to finish with the D minor. Good luck to you, and I will see you in the next one.